go. Somehow the tan makes me look older, which is the exact opposite intended effect. I thought getting a tan would make me look 10 years younger. Man, I have a lot of gray hair. Okay, this is scary. Okay, all right. So now let's see. Homework number 76 for Tuesday, March 5th. Kind of like what we did yesterday. I want to touch on all the topics that are on the unit exam so you don't feel left out. All right. So now I'm wondering, you know what? Let's do one of these actually. I do want to do one of these with you. So, the kind of question you see here, all right, and I'll read. The table below shows the cost of downloading songs from a website. All right, so 11 songs, 1342, so on and so forth, right? What is the constant proportionality unit rate or the letter K, right, between the total cost and the number of songs? So, cost to songs in this order. Okay, so they want to know cost, money per song. So far, so good. Now, here I can just start solving. Hold on. Oh, okay, right. So let's say, right, for one song, I'm going to use a different color marker so it's easier to see. So let's say we have one song here. The question is, how much would that cost, right? So, okay, let's cross multiply and divide then, right? Because this is X, right? So I'm going to do 1 times 2440. I'm just going to use my calculator if I can find it. All right, here's a Gudetama calculator that someone decorated and gave it to me as a gift last year. So 24.4 times 1 is 24.4. We all know that. And then we're going to divide that by 20. And I got 1.22. So it's $1.22 per song, like that. So that's how you solve those. Okay? All right, moving on. Next. What's the next kind of problem? Proportional representations. Do I do I really need to go over this again? No, right? Okay. All right. Now for table, real quick, because that's on the test also. Which one is which one is not proportional? How can you find out? Yeah. All right. This one I won't solve the whole thing complete. Just cross multiply them. Do this. Right? If it's not the same, then it's no good. Right? So 6 times 12 is 72. 3. You know what I'm saying? So that's what you have to do. Now, which one is not? So you have to do so 3 of these answers are correct, and you have to figure out which one is not. So it takes a little bit more work, but hey, that's what a calculator is for, right? So you understand what we're doing here? All right. By the way, I also want to point out as soon as one of them don't work, I don't know which ones they are. So let's say these two, they don't multiply to be the same product, then that's no good. That whole thing is no good. Don't make excuses for it. Like, oh, but it's only these two. Like, no, 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 no. As soon as one of them is no good, the rest of them is no good. Okay. All right. So let's go back. Let's see. What's another question you can do? Proportional reasoning. Oh, you don't have to do this anymore. Let me just delete this right now. That's not on the test. Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm not going to put it in the homework. Features in proportional graph, find unit rate on graph. Do I need to do this one more time with you? Let's see. Let's see what the computer says. Just finding the unit rate on the graph. It's easy. This one, yeah. Let's not spend any more time. The answer, if you look closer, is 1.9 because they're always on the line. It's not like some of the other questions you see where the first one is not. Okay. So, okay. All right. I'm going to sign out here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. All right. When you come back from the overnight trip, you're going to have to do a practice test. And then on Tuesday, you're going to do the real thing. Okay. All right. So, and then we're also going to review in class very quickly. So, all right. Signing out. For those of you who are going on that overnight trip, enjoy your trip. All right. Hopefully, you'll learn something from going to Boston. Other than that, it's still very cold in Boston. And that we're all Yankee fans here. So, okay. Thanks for watching. Bye now.
OMG, that was so good.